Greetings everybody, this is Hong Long from Hong Long Wuxia, and this is the last posture in the first half of the form. It's not only the last posture in the first half of the form, but it's also the most well-known posture in all of Tai Chi. That's right, we're going to go over the single whip today. So last time we ended with sit back and push. So let's review that and then we'll go over single whip. So we sit back, push, rise up, bird beak with the right hand, and with the left hand, single whip. Once more, back push, breathe in, breathe out. From here, on the other side, and that was single whip, everybody. All right, everybody, I'm Hong Long from Hong Long Wuxia. Thanks for watching. As always, if you liked it, hit the like button down below. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button over here to your right. And come back and see us next time. Next time we're going to go over the second section. And then we're going to go over the entire first half of the form. Until then, keep practicing.